on behalf of Nagpur Automobile Magazine. We have an opportunity to talk to you on behalf of your Silver Up products. So can I have a brief idea about you and your company, Silver Up Products?
Myself, Rajas Setia from Silver Industries, Ludhiana. I was born in Ludhiana, born and brought up in Ludhiana, and my graduation completed in Ludhiana, and post-graduation in management I am congratulating Mr. Ori for this Nagpur Automobile magazine for his 20th anniversary, and as well as you are introducing this DVD. It's a very innovative idea. I think so. This is the first time in India the magazine who is introducing this kind of idea.
Thank you, sir. Uh, so on part of Silver Up in India and Silver Up at Nagpur, can we have a brief summary, sir?
Yeah. In 1967, we have started a small industry for cycle parts manufacturing in Ludhiana, and in 1977 we started automobile parts also only for OE companies, and in 1986 we started for replacement market also with the name of Silver Up Products, and more than 2800 products we are dealing now, and all are quality products. Even there are certain items which we are checking at all level at 100%, and we assure our end customer that there will be no problem of the fitment and the durability of the particular product.
So which are your star products as of now?
Just like four cone set, kick pedals, gear levers, gear shafts, kick balls, etc. etc.
And for example, you have been in Nagpur, your business has been in Nagpur since how long, sir?
Yeah, Messrs. Sunil Scooters are distributing our product the whole way Dharba. Mr. Roopji, Ashwini ji, they are supporting very good to promoting this product in Vidarbha area.
And sir, since how much time Silver Up is there in Nagpur?
I think so from last 10 to 12 years.
A long back, which you have made for your customers, clients to inspire and to motivate them, to educate them.
Yeah.
And
actually, in our industry, huge changes are coming, and itself in our company we are doing. Earlier, our company was a person-driven company. Now we are shifting the whole concept in process-driven company. And same thing we are doing in market also. And we are telling our people, our customers, our distributors, our dealers that they should also upgrade their systems also so that they can give a good service to their customers. Because coming time inventory is a huge problem in our industry because number of items are too much, and even a retailer have to maintain. The distributor who is giving them very good service, they will prefer to buy from that distributor. Therefore, coming time in India, because we are entering in an era when we will become the second largest consumer of the bike in 2012, and in 2015 India will be the automobile hub for the world, and it is a golden period which is coming in front of us. And for young generation who is going to join and who just recently joined this automobile business, I want to tell them that in this particular business, if you are entering with a great passion, and you will enjoy your coming next years. जैसे अभी के आने वाले 30 साल आपको अच्छा लगेगा अगर आपको विद पैशन, अगर आप इसमें एंटर करते हो विद योर हार्ड वर्क, आप इसमें काम करते हो तो आप इस काम को एंजॉय करने लगोगे, तो यू विल एंजॉय एज वेल एज योर लाइफ ऑल्सो.
thank you for your introspection of such a nice